So question 5, in right triangle ABC, angle B is the right angle and length AB is equal to 72, length BC is equal to 65, and length of AC is equal to 97. What is the value of sine of C written as a ratio? So the first thing that we have to go back to is, what is sine of any angle? So if you remember, sine of any angle is going to equal the opposite side length divided by the hypotenuse side length. There is a mnemonic device, so COA, because, and I'll explain in just a second, cosine of C is equal to the adjacent side length divided by the hypotenuse side length. Tangent of the angle is equal to the opposite side length divided by the adjacent side length. So this mnemonic device, the S comes for sine, the O comes for opposite side length, and the H comes for the hypotenuse. CA stands for cosine, adjacent, hypotenuse. TOA, the T stands for tangent, the O stands for opposite, and A stands for the adjacent. So please remember SOHCAHTOA to help you remember the ratio side lengths. So this is wanting the sine of C. So the first thing that I'm going to do is label this triangle according to the angle that it gave us. So the angle it gives us is C because it's right there, sine of C. So angle C is our perspective angle. So this is the way we're going to be looking at this triangle. Now the first side length that I always like to label is the hypotenuse because it's the longest side and it's always across from the 90-degree angle. So side length AC is the hypotenuse side length, and now we are going to decide which one's opposite and which one is adjacent. So based off on our perspective, which is angle C, if I draw straight across, side length AB is the side length across from angle C. So side length AB is our opposite side length, and this last one is our adjacent side length. So when it is asking for sine of angle C, we are going to write out sine of C is equal to the opposite side length. So the opposite side length measures 72 divided by the hypotenuse side length, and the hypotenuse side length is 97. Enter your answer as a fraction in simplest terms that correctly fills in the blank in the previous sentence. So we are going to see if 72 and 97 can be reduced. And I will just let you know it cannot. That is because when you look at 72, none of 72 doesn't have any of the same factors that 97 has. So enter your answer as 72 divided by 97.